it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we'll be making a miniature heart note in a glass bottle. This is such a cute and simple charm that you can make for your backpack, necklaces, bracelets, or you can just have it lying around as decor. It's quite adorable. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And now without further ado, let's jump right in.
To make the mini heart note in a bottle, of course you're going to need a glass vial. Now I got this from Flying Tiger Copenhagen, but you can also purchase them from Amazon or eBay. I'll leave a link in the video description below. You'll need a pink sequin, or you can use a red one or whatever color that you want for the heart. You'll need some thin wire, a pair of small scissors, a small sheet of paper, and a writing utensil. The first step is to write a little note on your tiny sheet of paper. I'm just going to write I heart you. Next, take your sequin, and you can use a tweezer to hold on to it if you need to, and you're going to make a slant that is slanted to the right and also one slant that is slanted to the left, almost like you're slicing a piece of pie. Next, I'm just going to rotate my sequin a little bit so that the slice part is facing up or away from you, and then I'm going to take my small pair of scissors and cut a slant to the right and one to the left to create the heart shape. Reposition your sequin again to round off the right side of the top of the heart and also the left side. Next, roll up your mini note into a little scroll. Then take a thin wire and wrap it around your note once or twice. You can also use some glue to secure it, but I'm just going to skip that gluing process because I'm going to make it a little tight. And you also want to leave some room on the left side as well. Then loop the sequin heart through the wire and twist it to secure it like a bag tie. Next, I'm just putting the heart in a note next to the bottle so I'll know where to cut. Then stick the wire into the center of the cork. Now you can use some glue to secure it if you want. Run your finger along the remainder of the wire to straighten it out a bit. Then stick everything inside the bottle. You may have to twist the note a little bit to get it into the opening, but once you have it in there, it should sort of lock back into place. Close up the bottle. Now you can use some glue to secure it if you want, and your mini heart note in a bottle is complete.
Thank you so much for watching and also for sticking until the very end of the video. Bonus points for that. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. Leave your comments below letting me know what would be in your message. What would be the secret message in your bottle? Let me know, and I'll see you soon. Bye!